Hello guys, I hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about another airdrop opportunity for you. This is called Overwallet. So basically, Overwallet is a truly decentralized layer 1 blockchain in providing lightweight full nodes. These nodes are which enable us to mine and also they are the ones which are enable people to become validators of the network. Remember the structure of blockchain, validators are the one who validate the transactions on a blockchain. Yes. So as you can see, here is the app. I will put the link in my comments. I'll pin it there, and on YouTube I'll place it on descriptions. So guys, you are welcome. As you can see, I've been mining Aviv for quite a while. I've been mining Aviv. You see I have 38,000 points. These are points which will be later converted to over coin. So let me show you. As you can see, I'm in the top 0.7% out of 4.8 million people. I'm number 29,000. So guys, you can still make it. It's still early. It hasn't finished yet. So come join, register and start doing tasks. The first task you can do is always to claim daily points. They'll always appear here. Daily points will always, you see here, you've got 82 today. They'll always appear here that says claim here. Claim. That one you will click is a round black button, I think so. You will click it, then it will give you points daily around 100. Around 100, 90, 80, 70. Depending on how you have woken up. As you can see, I've been 78, 98, 96, 82. It doesn't go in consistency like you get 98, 98, 98. No, it varies every time. So another way, you can always come and do the daily quiz here. And the daily quiz are not hard. And also there are places where you can get answers for this. For example, in Telegram and also in Twitter, you can get answers for this. And as you can see, there is 2,000 points coming up on 4th. So please join quickly before 4th. And also, I will put the link for Telegram so that you can join. There I share the news about these cryptos also, so that you can gain and come in early before the project has moved on. So you can also stake your points to earn more. So you can see the APR is 8.8. It was 15 the other day. Now it's reducing because people are continuing to mine a lot of coins. Yes. So you can see this is a week. When you go full week for 7 days, they'll give you 300 points as an additional bonus for you. So it's good always to be early. It's good always to be early. And in crypto always, the earlier the better. In crypto, the earlier the better. Yes. Crypto, the earlier the better. As you can see, these are my activities. Let me show you my activities. It's taking long to open. Maybe I'll show you another time because it's taking a lot of. Oh, it has agreed to come. Let's see. Thank you guys. I think I'll show you those points on another video. Thank you. Oh, it's here. It's here. Again, it has run away. So thank you, and make sure to join through the link. And always A disclaimer for people: this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before engaging in any crypto, so that you may be well off. You may understand the crypto itself before joining it. Don't use money. This is for free. And also Aviv is for free. Thank you. You are welcome.